Hi, my name's Renee and welcome to my RV kitchen. One of my husband's favorite snacks is granola. I'll show you how to make it. Alright, so to start we have 4 cups of oatmeal, 1 cup of craisins, 1 cup of peanuts, 3/4 of a cup of sugar. It's supposed to be brown sugar, but I don't buy brown sugar anymore. The trick is to add, this is a 3/4 of a cup, so I'm going to add a tablespoon of Grandma's molasses to this to make my own brown sugar. If you don't like craisins, you can leave that out. Anyone with nut allergies, you can leave that out. It's pretty much, the main thing you want is the oatmeal. All right. And then on the sugar, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, I'm going to add molasses to it, 1 tablespoon. And it doesn't matter which brand you use. 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of homemade vanilla. Yum! I'll show you how to make that. And 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. And 1 cup peanut butter. I measured with my art. All right, items cooking. And for that, we need the 3/4 cup of sugar, tablespoon of molasses. It's not exact. If you go over, great. If you go under, it's fine. If you go under, it's light. It would be light brown sugar. I'm going to do the 1 cup of peanut butter. Again, I measured with my heart. And in here, we're going to add the 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of the coconut oil, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. If you don't want the maple syrup, you can leave it out. And then that is going to go in the microwave for 1 minute. And then we're going to stir. And then we're going to put it on for an additional minute. And stir it again. Make sure it's incorporated. Depending on your microwave, you're just looking for a loose mixture. I'll show you when it's heated up. Alright, so in here we are going to do 4 cups of the oatmeal. 1 cup peanuts, 1 cup craisins. Again, if you don't like either of those or both of those, leave them out. One teaspoon of cinnamon. And I'm just going to mix that around here. Alright, first round looks like this. We're just going to mix it and incorporate it. That is my dog you hear playing with his ball in the background. Alright, and that is going to go in the microwave for 1 more minute. Alright, that is the 2nd minute in the microwave. If it's thin enough and loose enough, I can put that right on the oatmeal mixture. If it's too thick, you can add a 1/4 cup of honey if you choose. I think right now this looks pretty good. All right. Oh, and I forgot to add the vanilla. Let's do that here real quick. And that homemade vanilla is amazing. I can't wait to show you how to make it. The bowl is hot, so just be careful so you don't burn yourself. Use a mitt if you need it. Alright, and now we're just going to smear this all over the oats.
It'll get you all your chews in for you. I love this granola though, it's good. It does hold its crunch.
It's good, right?
It's really good. It's good in bites. It's good in cereal. Amazing.